First of all, I'm very delighted to be here at Kana Shantivan for this regional skills competition. This to me is a celebration of skill zones. People here, you can see so many young students here from across 5 states, 2 union territories were participating in so many trades. You can see the excitement among these students. Close to 120 of them are girls here. So it's like a, it's like a mela of skills, no? And it's something which we should be doing regularly so that skills becomes much more aspirational amongst the youth. But the larger objective, of course, is to find the participants who represent the country, who represent the country in the World Skills at Shanghai. Towards that, I met some of the chief experts. I spoke to some of the competitors, and I find that many of them are worthy competitors who would likely to represent the country. And it's my wish. It's my wish that out of the candidates here, at least some of them would be able to bring laurels for this country, win medals, and thereby bring pride for the country. Thank you.
Yeah. So I'm Professor Bala Kista Reddy representing Telangana Higher Education Council. Almost 2 million students I represent. So that's why skills are very important. India being the youngest country in the world, youth nation of the world, I think all efforts from central government and various state governments we have to encourage. And next 2 decades, it is the time for 21st century is Asian century, or more particularly Indian century, because of youth. So this kind of events we should thankful to the organizers, particularly National Skill Development Ministry, Council, and also being a hosting here in Telangana, Hyderabad, Kana. We feel very happy, and all other day I was fortunate to inaugurate this session, and wonderful thing, and I wish all the best for participants, and thank you for Pillai sir for you are here, and your encouragement and motivation is very much need the southern states also.
Bharat champion.